Winter comes around, or before actually, what you're going to want to do is replace out your windshield washer fluid. And doesn't matter what brand you get, but get one that's definitely good down to a low temperature. This one's negative 20 degrees. I'm here in Virginia, so it really shouldn't get down to that temperature, but this year so far we've hit the 0 area, and I've actually already had frozen fluid. So if you have fluid, best to get a turkey baster thing and suck out the liquid, or if it's not that much, you can just spray it out onto the window. Then you just go ahead and pop your hood, push the little button inside your car, and then find the thing right here. Lift your hood up. Make sure you put your hood prop nice and tight where it needs to go. And then you're gonna see, usually it's gonna be on the left-hand side of the car, but it'll always say on the top, washer fluid. And as you can see, mine is quite empty, which is good because that's what I did, was try to drain as much as I could out of it. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and fill this up. It's really that easy. So, like I mentioned, you wanna drain out as much as you can, because if you think about it, this negative 20 degree stuff, if you have some of the regular stuff, you're just gonna be diluting that, that temperature. So let's say it was half, and that doesn't have any kind of freeze thing. And again, this is not an actual math, but just to give you an idea, instead of being negative 20, it might be positive 10 or something like that. So, you wanna make sure that, you've drained as much as you can. Now, if you live somewhere where it doesn't get anywhere near negative 20, but you want to have some protection, you could always mix this with a little bit of water if you wanted to. But to me, for I think $2 or $3 for the container, doesn't make sense to do that. So just line up your container over the top of this and start pouring it in. And I'll get a feel for how much I had in there based on how high this fills up. Most cars will take about a gallon, I think, maybe a little bit more. And this is nice because it has a de-icer component to it, so that'll actually help. If you have a light bit of ice or snow on your windshield, just a little bit, it should help de-ice that. So we're just gonna go ahead and pour the rest of this in. And I can tell I did a pretty good job of getting all of it out, because I just filled it up to the top, and I only have a small portion of the gallon left, so that's good. As I drive around, this should mix with the other stuff as well. And now you have, I would also probably try to do a quick spray on the windshield to kind of get some of the other stuff out a little bit, and then that's it. But I definitely recommend doing that, because I've had in scenarios before where the entire thing froze up and it's a block of ice and you can't clean your windshield at all. So hope this was helpful. Give it a thumbs up if it is. Any questions you have, feel free to ask below in the comment section. Thanks, and we'll see you on the next video.